Now we're going to add some geometry to this agent. Go to the body page where we can see the skeleton and we drag on a geo node. Let's call it pants and find some appropriate geometry. Any wavefront OBJ will do. Now we can't see it at the moment because we're in skeleton visualization mode. We'd like to see the geometry, so we go Alt M and that will show us the geometry. And as you can see, it's skinned to the skeleton. That's because we didn't connect it to any nodes. If we do connect it to a node, we get this, rigidly attached. Or we could connect it to multiple nodes if we wanted to. But in this case, that's not what we want to do. Now another way we can attach geometry is just rigidly attaching it, and we can bring on another geonode. If there's already a segment selected, it will be automatically attached to that segment and it'll get the appropriate name, but we want to call it cap. And let's find a cap. Alright, now you might notice that that is not in the right place. That's because it was modelled in world space where his head is, but now we've attached it to his head, which is already up where his head is, meaning that cap is now too far. So we need to add a transform and a rotate to adjust its location. We can do that automatically with the world space button, and that will now put it in the right place for us. And we can, if we like, it can be a translate, a rotate, or a scale. In this case we want to rotate, and we can turn his head round the other, his cap round the other way, and adjust it a little bit. And there we have him and his cap. But let's add some more geometry. Let's bring on a shirt. Okay, there's a shirt. But what say we've got a couple of different shirts. So let's make another one. This one we'll call sweatshirt. Now, we obviously don't want both of them visible at once, so let's connect them to an option node. Now we can select between the two with the option node, and we could plug in as many as we like. Select between quite a number of different pieces of geometry. And of course, we don't want to manually switch between these, we want them to be variation for each agent. So we switch off manual, and we can connect it to any of the agent variables, which means that each instance of this agent is going to get the appropriate geometry.